Homes of Hope is a Fijian-born organization. For 8 years, Homes of Hope rented large homes in Suva, the capital of Fiji. In 2005, we began leasing 40 acres in Wailoku, a valley next to Suva. We now have 19 buildings clustered in the southeast corner of the hilly property. The upper 15 acres are being developed for farming and for small animal raising. Our dorms house up to 60 people, resident mothers, their children, and Homes of Hope staff. There are 6 shared bedrooms, a common room, and an ablutions block in the back. After the resident moms leaves the dorm, she can move into Ambure for semi-independent living. She learns to live independently, while she will be finishing her vocational independence project and still is living in a protected environment. An average stay on the campus is about 2.25 years. Usually her last 6 months are spent in the Mbure. In between the dorms and the Mbures is the resource center. This is the classroom training center for the moms. The building houses the resource library that is used in our training for other organizations who want to replicate our work. There are 3 guest houses which host volunteer teams to work with us. These buildings can house 40 guests. The guest houses are part of our social enterprise, which helps fund our operating expenses. Next is the National Office and School building. The upper floors are our National Office, medical clinic, receptionist, and staff room. The lower levels are our nursery and preschool classes. Next to the school is the gymnasium. It rains in Wailoku most days. This covered area provides an area for the children to play outdoors, a place to have large events, and an exercise area for the moms including volleyball, dance, and netball. On the northern side of the small creek running through the land are 3 buildings. One is the Liberty House, where single woman staff members live. The spa is our counseling center. And the third is Mbotiki Lodge, used for people coming from other nations for training and for moms and girls who come for short-term training. In our farming area, we have chickens, fish, pigs, sheep, and orchards. We have chicken coops for over 1,000 egg-laying hens. Our sheep pastures and sheep house will be for over 30 sheep, and pigs which are used for selling piglets as a means of income. The principle of operating the farm are to be sustainable using integrated farming. This is our growing Wailoku campus, where we are creating a culture of freedom. Vinaka.